Hey everyone, if you're a product manager, you're not using AI tools every day, you're working way harder than you need to. So I have this recipe app called ClipDish, and I needed to answer a question that every mobile product manager deals with at some point. When do I drop support for an older iOS version? Now, the old way to do this, log into your analytics tool, figure out the right filters, build the chart manually, tweak the query a few times until it actually shows what you need. You know the drill. The new way, I just asked my junior product manager, Claude, to do it. I said, hey, I need a chart showing how many users are on each iOS version broken down by paid versus unpaid. Using Claude Code connected to Posthog Analytics through an MCP server, Claude was able to build a stack bar chart and drop it right onto my product dashboard. It took 5 minutes. There was no SQL, there was no documentation, there was no clicking through menus. Then I said, all right, can we combine these minor versions together, like group 18.6.1 and 18.6.2 together and just call it 18.6? Claude figured out the query syntax on its own and updated the insight. Done. So now, with Claude Code and the right MCPs, I basically have a junior teammate who handles all the tedious stuff so I can actually focus on making decisions. So if you're still manually building every view in your analytics tool, you're spending your time on configuration instead of strategy. So let me know in the comments, what's the most tedious product manager task you'd love to hand off to AI?